Hi, I'm Tom Hackett, and today we're going to talk about fast, painless, proven cloud solutions. Now, to help put this in perspective, I'd like you to consider something. Let's say that you are in the fortunate position where you're going to be moving out of your current home into a brand new home. And you are going to get started probably by contacting an architect, interviewing architects. So let's say you talk to the first architect, and that one person says, well, hey, tell me about yourself. What's your lifestyle like? Do you like to entertain? How many family members do you have? You know, they're trying to understand you. And because with their expertise, if they understand you, they can create a solution that uniquely meets your needs. So that's the first architect. Great. Now, what if you interview a second one? You should get a second opinion. Now, this architect starts off by saying, hello, well, I need to know what kind of floors do you want? Do you want hardwood floors or do you want engineered wood? And oh, by the way, do you want triple pane windows or double pane windows? Do you want a cement driveway or an asphalt driveway? And you're thinking, why are you asking me these implementation questions? You know, you're the expert. You should know. You should know what's best for me. So that's the point we want to make. The idea is that when you're going to the cloud, the partner that's helping you get there should really understand that so well that they'd be able to recommend to you and offer you great solutions that would get you there fast, in a painless way, and hopefully they'd be proven by other folks so that you're not the guinea pig. Now, last time we looked at 6 different types of organizations and how they each have a different need to fill from the cloud. And Cadence, we recognize that, and so we've actually developed a portfolio of cloud solutions, 4 of them, that serves these different needs. And so we're going to talk about them. We started off last time by looking at startup companies and saying that they need everything. I mean, they have no computing resource, they have no tools, they have no IT and CAD support, and they certainly have no cloud expertise. They need everything. So for that kind of company, we've got a great solution. We call it the Cadence Cloud Hosted Design Solution. So with cloud hosted, we're like the architect, right? We talk to you, we understand what you want to accomplish, we set it all up for you. We set it all up on a major cloud provider like Amazon or Microsoft, then give you the keys. You can run with the tools that you need to do your entire flow, and our experts are standing by to help you with things like CAD support, with things like re-provisioning your cloud environment. It's a total service. So that's the cloud hosted design solution. At the other end of the spectrum, big established companies that currently have a lot of resources, that have a lot of staff, they need something different. And if you'll remember, these folks, what they really need to do is service peak demand. Because while they have enough resource, enough assets here for their typical demand, they never provision out to the peak level, because then those resources would stand idle. And so what they need from the cloud is to service peak demand. And Cadence has just introduced a new extension to our cloud portfolio that we call Cloudburst. And with Cloudburst, it is optimized to serve peak demand. Now, if you're at a systems company that has a lot of people, resource, but maybe not the right kind of hardware assets and tools for electronic design, your needs may be kind of a hybrid of these two. Same with a brand new team that might have access to resources but not have the support staff. So in this case, depending on your special circumstances, a cloud-hosted or cloud-burst approach would be right for you. And for all of these companies, oh, I wanted to mention the cloud pioneers. If you do happen to have some strong cloud operation expertise already at your company, then really all you need from us is the right tools and licenses to get your job done, and then you want us to get out of the way, right? So you can do it. So we have something for you too, and that's called the Cloud Passport. So we're very happy to equip you there. And then all of these folks share a critical project tape-out experience where you've got this project, hopefully it's on schedule, but maybe that's at risk, maybe it's behind schedule, which is even worse, and you need urgent peak demand. You need it like today. I need to get to the cloud today, and it's got to work. And for that, our Cloudburst technology is ideal. Now, all of these things that I've talked about so far, these three solutions here, Cloud Hosted, Cloud Burst, Cloud Passport, those are all geared to software applications. But there's also the hardware aspect of things, our Palladium lineup of emulation acceleration technology. And that's an extremely valuable resource. And if you're in one of these top 10 semiconductor companies, I bet you use it already, because it's very important to ensure first pass success for SoC designs. But if you're one of these other companies, you might not have that installed. Well, we have a solution for you also, and we call that Palladium Cloud. Palladium Cloud. And so with Palladium Cloud, you can get quick access to a Palladium system that is off-site, it is secure, you upload your design, you run, you get your results, and you're good to go. And so Palladium Cloud really can serve all of these other companies during their critical times. Palladium Cloud. So now in future videos, my colleagues are going to get into each of these 4 different solutions and explain them. But before they do that, I want you to know that all of these solutions are proven today, and we have actually over 40 different companies that are using these various cloud solutions today. So if you want to get to the cloud in a fast, painless, and proven way, the Cadence Cloud portfolio could be for you. So thanks for watching, and I'm Tom Hackett.